The boys and I have been spending, like I said, about 4.5 years, 5 years here, just learning bushcraft skills, hanging out, getting muddy, eating lots and lots of barbecue food. What tree should I put it on? This is a big heavy chunker. I hope you're appreciating all these angles, because I have to keep getting down to move the camera to film this shit. Did it! I did it! It's up! Phew. It's up! I couldn't get it any higher. Right, I think that might be the end of the video. I have no other jobs to do. Chair's done, the birdhouse is up, you can just see it in the distance. And it's getting a bit late. It's about 6:30, so the sun will be setting soon. Like I said, I want to go home for dinner tonight.